Hello everyone, this is Rosemary. Thank you for stopping by on the Bamba's channel. If you're a new viewer, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today we're changing our Samsung 4-door family hub refrigerator water filter. Now, it depends on your model number. The model, let me see. So ours for our own model code is HAFCIN/EXP, and then I made sure, because it was a little hard to see okay which one works, but what I did was I removed the old one that was there, and this is recommended to change it every 6 months. So I removed the old one that was there, and I was able to see what I needed, the numbers I needed. I also put all these names and codes in the description. Now let's go ahead and change it. So first of all, I'm not going to turn off the water faucet, the tap, or whatever they call it, because if we're going to buy these expensive refrigerators, these things should be done very easily. So anyways, at this point, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. First thing you have to know is how to take it out. This turning it clockwise is to lock it. It also has the symbol, and then turn it anti-clockwise while pushing in all the way, and that comes out. So you can see those are the different that's how I was able to see what was needed, and this is the new one and that's the old one. This magnet, I'm gonna have to detach this tag in order to check if it's an original. Oh, probably messed it up. I'm gonna detach this just to make sure it's an original filter, and then place it behind this magnet in order to change color. I probably should hold it this way. See? I don't know if you can see that. It's beginning to change color when attached. That's how you know it's an original filter. This place is so bright. I don't know if you can see that, but the lines in there indicates it's an original filter. So we can just go ahead and pop the cap open. Also has all those locks. And then put it in, push and lock, and it's as easy as that within 5 seconds. The next thing I'm gonna do is try to waste about 2 gallons of water, just so that the air can be expelled or whatever needs to be expelled. And the way I knew that it needed to be changed was because we got an alert. Let me see. There was an alert somewhere on when issues found. So as soon as I clicked it, it told me that the filter needed to be changed, something like that. Oh, it's cleared up now. Oh yeah, right here. So it showed me that that needed to be replaced if I wanted to buy now, and that's how I was able to open up the website, and then it showed me the exact one I needed for my fridge, and it was $25. So I bought 2 packs. Now let's see, it also had a video on how to replace it. So that's how I knew exactly what I had to do, just in case you didn't have the family hub with the screen and all that stuff. So while this is still, it didn't do this the first time I watched it, it's still loading. It didn't even say to expel water like that, but it gave the instruction. Because of copyright, I want to do it myself. And this is where it says to attach the what do you call it, to check if it's original, to place the tag to the provided magnet. So I'm gonna go ahead and waste about 2 gallons of water. See, let me see, I'll show you what it's doing. Just to release, expel the air, relieve whatever pressure and all that. This is what I'm gonna be doing up till I'm done. So you can come back to your home button in order to reset the filter, so it doesn't, to reset the filter one, filter reminder. Come back and click on apps, and then it's telling you how to launch your app quickly and all that stuff. And then come back to fridge management. Come to fridge management. Need to replace filter right there, because that's the one with the red. And when I clicked it, it's asking me, provide water, that's tutorial, blah blah blah, and if I wanted to buy it, so I can just click reset. Last install date will reset to today. Proceed. And there we go. It shows last install date for this. And if you want a tutorial, I can just click on tutorial, which I don't want. And that is all. Water filter is clean, blah blah blah. This is where I can set up my soft freeze on my flex side and the power free and the actual freezer and other stuff. I like to make it more cool. I have power cool option. Make power cool. But anyways, that's that for the Samsung Family Hub. I could also just check it on the YouTube if I wanted. This is just how much it costs us using and all that stuff in the fridge manager. I always get notifications on my phone. So thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, please, so that we can, continue all these reviews together. Like I said, I always review things that we use. But I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye.